Hey guys, it's Izzy here. So first I want to apologize for how I look. I had a really bad flare-up last night, so I don't look my best, but the next video that comes out today is about my health, so you can learn more about that there. But yeah, that's why my hair is really frizzy and just looks crazy, but I'm fixing it later. And yeah, so that's why I'm wearing a hat. But we are going to be doing an Owlcrate unboxing. This is my second Owlcrate box. I'm only gonna get 3 and then change to a different subscription. But this is my second one, but my first time ever unboxing it like on my channel. So that should be a lot of fun. And I have no idea what's in here, like no general idea what could be in here. So I hope it's a book that I actually do want to read. And if it's not, if it's signed and like a special edition, I'll keep it. But if it's just something that I'm like totally not interested in and not signed or anything, I will most likely give it away or sell it. I usually, books I don't really sell. I usually give to somebody if they want to read it, or I donate it to the public library. That's what I do, and this hat is big, but you know, so let's get in. Let's get into unboxing. So here we go. Here's our top. I don't even remember the theme. So this is a spoiler card, but the theme is the power of illusions. So let's see. We have a candle that is the Lunar Queen, and it's blackberries, vanilla, and fresh greenery. And it is by, I can't read that because I'm legally blind. But yeah, that does smell, it smells really sweet. I really like the scent of blackberries, so this is really nice. So let's see, I don't want to know what book. Yeah, so I'm not looking at that. But I can see the book already, but I can't tell what it is. So then we have this necklace that is amber and dusk. Really pretty. I'm not a big jewelry wearer. I wish I was, but I'm not as much as I used to be. Then we have a magnet that says, "We lead strange lives, chasing our dreams around from place to place," with one of those horses on it. I don't remember what those are called. I probably have a lot of brain fog right now. But this is Imagine and It Shall Be, There Are No Limits. So this is an Owlcrate exclusive from Juniper and ivydesigns.com. So this looks like, is it the Kremlin in Russia? I'm not sure the name. I may have that wrong. So then we have a tote bag that says, "Gold shimmered no matter what, but few people could make darkness glitter the way we did." And that is from Stephanie Garber. Don't know who that is. Then we have a little notebook. So it wasn't the book I saw. But I don't like Owlcrate's these things just because, one, my pets, they love it. But it's just like in the notebook, it just gets everywhere. So I'm assuming it's a notebook. It may be a planner. Ooh, it's a planner. It's a planner. And oh my gosh. So it has these like book reviews, and it says magical monthly reading planner. Oh my gosh. This is what I needed in my life. So then you have your month. Y'all, I've been writing mine out in my sketchbook, which there will be a video out on Tuesday about that. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This is amazing. So I will definitely be using this in 2019. Definitely. Oh my gosh. It's so cute. Look at the little owls. I love it. So then we have our Kingdom of Fools, the Shadow Game series. So this is an Owlcrate exclusive excerpt of a book, I'm assuming, which Ace of Shades I really want to read. So this is, I guess, the next book in that series. So an excerpt from that. So I can't read this because I haven't read Ace of Shades yet. But here is our book. And it is Amber Dusk by Lyra Celine, a book I've never heard of. But yeah, this is an Owlcrate exclusive signed edition. And we have a note from the author. So let me get into this. So I have no idea what this book is about. So it says, I deserve the chance to find where I belong, to find a world find a world forged in sunlight and honed on dreams, as perilous and intoxicating as the colors spilling jewel bright from my fingertips. So I'm thinking that's Russian inspired, because amber, I feel like amber is along the Baltic Sea. I feel like it's like an abundance. But there, and then how it said the Kremlin was on something. But there we have her signature and the book. But let's read the description thing. I wasn't running from the darkness at the edge of nowhere. I was running towards the light at the heart of the empire. Salvi has always known she deserves more. Out in the permanent twilight of the Dusklands, the sister of Scion, I don't know, taught her that her legacy and her power to create illusions was a curse. But Sylvie knows entitles her to a place in a French name that I can't pronounce, the palace of the Amber Empress and her high-born legacies. And so Sylvie sets off towards the Amber City, a glittering jewel under a sun that never sets, to take what is hers. But her hope for a better life at court is quickly dimmed. The Empress Severine invites her in only as part of a cruel wager among her beautiful and powerful courtiers. Sylvie must assume a new name, Mirage, and work to hone her magic. She begins to navigate the secretive social circles, enjoying deadly games of intrigue in order to claim her spot at court. And soon it becomes apparent that how things are not as they appear. However, no one, including her cruel yet captive sponsor, Sunder, will answer her questions. As Mirage strives to seize what should be her rightful place, she must consider whatever is worth the price she will have to pay. So yeah, this sounds like something that I would read. Yeah, so I would read this. I do wish it was like it was actually Russia instead of a fantasy kingdom, but that is okay. So then we have our little booklet thing. I don't know what these are called, but yeah, so this is the difference. So this is the Owlcrate exclusive and then the normal. So the Owlcrate is purple while the other is more of an amber color. And then we have our word puzzle. Yeah, so then we do have more stuff. We have a pen. And then we have a print for January's box, which I will begin, which is Magical Artifacts. But first, take a peek. So, sounds interesting. But yeah, so I'm going to go into saying who made everything now. So, many sentences one has. So the candle is from Flick the Wick. And then Within the World of the Crownscape, the ornament is by Juniper and Ivy Designs, which I told y'all that. The magnet is by Ink and Wonder Designs. And the tote bag is by Stella Bookish Art. And the reading planner is by Blue Star Press. And I love the reading planner. It is my favorite thing in this. And the Amber and Dusk, that's the book. So yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know I did. I really enjoyed everything I got, like the reading planner. I am so excited for, because as I said, I've been writing basically what's in here in a notebook instead, or in a sketchbook, which as I said, I will be doing a video on that on Tuesday. But this I'll probably mention in the video as well, because now I didn't even know they made like actual reading planners. So I will definitely be using this in 2019. Maybe there'll be a video in 2019 about it. Who knows? But yes, as I said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Merry Vlogmas Day 14, I think. 14 or 15. But yeah, as long as comment, rate, and subscribe. Bye guys.